Hare Krishna. Welcome to Peacock Patashala. In this video, we are going to learn about intelligence quotient, which means IQ. IQ measures a person's intellectual ability in relation to age. There is no unit for IQ. The term IQ was introduced by William Stone in the year 1912. He actually gave the traditional formula for calculating IQ, that is, mental age divided by chronological age into 100. So, this is the actual formula. Actually, what is meant by mental age means it is a level of intelligence shown by a child. So, for example, if a 10-year-old child performs like a 12-year-old, which means his mental age is 12. Mental age concept is introduced by Alfred Binet. Chronological age. This is the actual age of the child. We can say in years. Like example, child's real age is 10 years. Okay. So in above example, I have shown mental age is 12. Next, for that example, so mental age is 12 and chronological age is 10 into 100, there will be the IQ is 120. This is actually a above average intelligence. Important points were, if mental age is equal to chronological age, then IQ will be 100. Which means if they are same, then IQ will be 100. This shows normal intelligence. So average IQ is about 100. If mental age is greater than chronological age, then absolutely IQ is above 100, which means above average. If mental age is below chronological age, then IQ will be below 100. Okay, this is the some of the important points. Modern IQ uses deviation method, which is introduced by David Wessler. In this video, we have discussed about intelligence quotient. Hope you understand. Thank you. Hare Krishna.